हाय गाइस, दिस इज मानवी खुराना और आज का जो वीडियो है वो स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल पे है। आज हम एक आइल स्पीकिंग टेस्ट कंडक्ट करने जा रहे हैं और गाइस वीडियो के एंड में आई विल गिव यू अ डिटेल फीडबैक ऑफ दिस इंटरव्यू। सो गाइस वीडियो एंड तक जरूर देखना। गाइस जो भी हमारे चैनल पे न्यू है, डू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोस। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द इंटरव्यू। मे आई नो योर फुल नेम प्लीज?
My full name is Manpreet Singh Khurana.
How may I address you?
You can address me by my first name Manpreet.
Where do you come from?
Well, I come from a small city by the name of Chandigarh. It is one of the union territories of India and also happens to be the capital of two states, Punjab and Haryana. Apart from this, Chandigarh is also famously known as the City Beautiful.
What do you do, work or study?
I am a working professional. I have been working as an IT consultant for the US-based firm from the past 4 years.
Do you like to take photographs?
I love taking photographs. I like to click pictures of all these special moments so that I can cherish them forever. I believe photographs are a reminder of good times.
Do you prefer to take your photographs yourself?
I'm not a very photogenic person, so I prefer taking photographs myself because I have to test different angles before I get the right click.
How long have you liked taking photographs?
I have been fascinated about taking photographs since my childhood. I was in 6th standard when my dad gifted me a DSLR camera. Since then I am into photography.
How often do you take photographs?
Well, I occasionally take photographs whenever I am traveling or either I am a part of a special event. That is when I click pictures.
What kind of photos do you like?
I am a nature lover. I like to capture scenic views such as mountains and rivers. Apart from this, I find wildlife photography quite intriguing.
How do you keep your photos?
With the advancement of technology, I prefer to keep my photographs on the cloud. I have purchased a subscription for Google Drive and Dropbox where I keep my photographs safely without the fear of losing them.
So this is the end of part 1, and in part 2 you'll be given a topic and you'll be given 1 minute to prepare, and you have to speak on it for 1 to 2 minutes. This is your cue kata.
I am a travel enthusiast. I take various excursions across the world each year. Last year, due to COVID restrictions, I could not travel much. Fortunately, earlier this year, I got a chance to travel to one of the most beautiful countries of the world, that is Maldives. In order to make my vacation memorable, I booked an exotic 5-star hotel by the name of Hard Rock. This hotel was a 20-minute speedboat ride from the international airport at Malé. As soon as I reached the hotel, I was blown away by the size of it. Not only the hotel offered all the luxurious amenities but also had breathtaking views. The reason I chose this hotel was because of the overwater villa. Although I paid through the nose for this, it was worth every penny. The room had a private pool and a jacuzzi. The cherry on the cake was the mesmerizing view of the Indian Ocean. Another unforgettable thing was the lavish breakfast that we were served each day. There were 20 different cuisines ranging from Indian to Japanese to Thai and to continental. My family had a gala time tasting different delicacies. Even though I paid an exorbitant price to stay at this property, it was a dream come true for a globetrotter like myself. This is one such exhilarating experience that I will cherish for years to come.
Now we'll start with part 3. In this section I'll be asking you a few follow-up questions. Do the rating of people influence one's choice?
Yes, definitely. I believe before booking any property, people look at the user experiences and the reviews they have posted, because it is difficult to judge just from the pictures that the hotel has posted on the internet.
How do people reserve rooms?
Well, there are plethora of ways in which people can reserve a room. Primarily, people use internet and websites like booking.com or hotels.com, or they can use traditional methods like a telephone to book a room.
What influence people's choice of hotel?
There are multiple factors that influence the choice nowadays. Primarily, people search over the internet and look at the reviews of a hotel and the experiences people have shared staying at the property. Secondly, people take reference from their relatives and friends of the places they have visited, and that is how people book a hotel.
What is the difference between hotels in your country and hotels abroad?
If I talked about a decade ago, there was a major difference between the two, but now I believe the hotels are at par. Tourism is a very important contributing factor in every country's economy. So all the countries have ramped up their services and their standards, and so has my country. So now there is minimalistic difference between the two.
Thank you. So this was the end of the interview.
Thank you so much.
So guys, let's evaluate this interview. So first criteria जो हमारा है, that is fluency and coherence. So fluency and coherence में we'll see कि pauses कितने थे. तो pauses खास नहीं थे and ज़्यादा hesitation कोई नहीं थी, repetitions और self correction नहीं थी, which is very good. Then connectors भी अच्छे यूज़ किए हुए थे, for example primarily, well, and phrases भी, like apart from this, right? So in fluency I'll give 8. So let's move to the lexical resources. Lexical resources में we'll see कि vocabulary कितनी अच्छी यूज़ की हुई है. So vocabulary words भी बहुत अच्छे यूज़ किए थे. For example, photogenic, breathtaking, then excursions, exhilarating, mesmerizing. So definitely vocabulary is also good. Then उसके अलावा collocations भी यूज़ की हुई थी. And guys, do use collocations, okay? So then you try to use such words like nature lover, travel enthusiast, globetrotter, and idioms are very important. So idiomatic language होनी चाहिए. So idioms भी अच्छे यूज़ किए हुए हैं इसमें, like blown away, paid through the nose, then cherry on the cake, dream come true. So in lexical resources also I'll give 8. Next is grammatical range and accuracy. So इसमें grammatical errors हम देखेंगे जो कि खास कुछ नहीं थे. Then जो सबसे important चीज़ है कि complex statements यूज़ की हुई हैं, simple और complex का बहुत अच्छा blend यूज़ किया हुआ है. And yes, सबसे important चीज़ कि conditional statements यूज़ की हुई हैं. So जो भी statement if के साथ शुरू होती है या जिस statement में if आए तो उसको हम conditional statement कहते हैं. So वो भी यूज़ की हुई है if I talked about a decade ago. So definitely use such conditional statements. Okay, so grammatical range and accuracy maybe I'll give 8. So next is pronunciation. So it was completely easy to understand और हर एक जो word है उसको correct pronounce किया हुआ है. Then correct syllable पे stress भी है. According to topic, intonation is also very good. So definitely 8 in this one also. So guys, now we'll calculate our band score. So इस interview का band score is 8 band. So guys, ऐसे ही और videos भी बनाएंगे जिसमें आपको और vocabulary words का, idioms का पता लगे. So उसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप सब्सक्राइब करो हमारे चैनल को अगर आपने नहीं किया अभी तक. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.